Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can open RAR files on Windows 11. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for 7-zip download. Once you see the search results, click on the first website that appears. On the website, you will find download options at the top. Click on the appropriate one to download the software. After the download is complete, open the setup file and follow the instructions to install 7-zip on your computer. Once the installation is finished, locate the RAR file you want to open. Right-click on the RAR file, select More Options, and then choose Open With. Now, click on the Choose Another App option and select the 7-zip application from the list. With 7-zip open, you will see all the files contained within the RAR archive. Select all of the files you want to extract and drag them to your desired location on your PC. Another way to extract the files is to right-click on the RAR file again, click on Show More Options, and hover your cursor over the 7-zip feature. From the drop-down menu, choose the Extract Files option and then click OK in the dialog box that appears. This will extract all the files to your specified location. If you prefer, there is also another method to extract the files by converting the RAR file into a zip file. To do this, open a preferred website that offers file conversion services. Upload the target RAR file to the website and click on the Convert button. Wait for the conversion process to complete, then download the converted zip file. You can now open this zip file like a normal folder using Windows built-in extractor. So that's basically how you can open RAR files on Windows 11. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.